UTM tracking is vital to assessing the performance of your marketing campaigns at driving traffic to your site. With GoSquared's campaign URL builder, you can easily build UTMs to insert into your marketing campaigns and track their performance in your dashboard's campaigns widgets. Simply enter in your website and the details of your paid or organic ad campaign and copy the link generated for you. Once inserted into your campaigns, you will now be able to track all users who click through the link to your website or platform, both in real time on your Now dashboard and over any selected time period in our Trends dashboard. This allows you to monitor the performance of your campaigns over time and prioritize the best performing to optimize the traffic driven to your site.